Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter R. R says rabbit. R says rabbit. What letter is it? It is letter R. What does R say? R says We use a salt tray to help learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Practice writing the letters a few times. R. R says rabbit. R says rabbit. B. B says bat. B says bat. C. C says cat. C says cat. D. D says dog. D says dog. F. F says fish. F says fish. G. G says goat. G says goat. H. H says hippo. H says hippo. J. J says j, 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 jellyfish. J says j, 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 jellyfish. K. K says k, 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 kangaroo. K says k, 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 kangaroo. L. L says O. O, O, ladybug. L says O. O, O, ladybug. M. M says mouse. M says mouse. N. N says newt. N says newt. P. P says panda. P says panda. Q. Q says qua, 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 quail. Q says qua, 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 quail. And today's letter, R. R says er, rabbit. R says er, rabbit. What letter is it? It is letter R. What does R say? R says er, rabbit. R says er, rabbit. Post a video message. Send an audio message. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.